Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Mac model and its current Mac OS version so you know compatibility limits. Back up everything now, use Time Machine or create a full clone to an external drive. Once done, download the full Mac OS installer from App Store or Apple Catalog and grab the Open Core Legacy Patcher tool. You need both. Make sure you have a USB 16 GB plus drive, formatted as Mac OS Extended, journaled, to create the installer and keep a checklist of firmware requirements. With the installer USB ready, use the terminal create-install media command to write the Mac OS image. This makes the USB bootable. Next, run Open Core Legacy Patcher to generate an EFI folder matched to your Mac's model identifier. This supplies kernel patches and boot settings. Once generated, copy the EFI to the USB's EFI partition. Then apply model-specific SMBIOS overrides and add the necessary kernel extensions, kexts like Lilu and whatevergreen. These steps ensure hardware compatibility and proper graphics support. Boot the Mac from the patched USB by holding Option at startup and choose the patched installer. Proceed with a clean or upgrade install. After installation completes, boot once from USB, then install the Open Core EFI to the internal drive's EFI so the Mac boots natively. Make sure to reinstall any model-specific kexts and tweak ECP patches if needed. If the system fails to boot, reset NVRAM and safe mode, verify EFI placement, and reapply the exact kext set. Often mismatched kexts cause the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.